Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a few Dior beauty unboxing. I tend not to buy a lot of beauty products from Dior because I also buy other beauty products from other brands. In this video, I will also show you other Dior products I have collected over the years. I've been online shopping with Dior since 2015. I do still have the old and expired products from Dior, which is also the reason why I don't buy a lot of products because they do expire. Anyway, let's go ahead with the unboxing. By the way, for my makeup today, I'm using most of the Dior beauty products, the blush, the highlighter, eyeshadow, as well as the lipstick. So this is the Rose Bobby, in case you are interested. I did also use the powder. Getting a holiday packaging is not guaranteed. It is so random. So if you really want a particular packaging for a particular holiday, I'd say you buy it at a pop-up store, or because then you can ask the sales associate if they have the packaging that you want. For Valentine's Day, Christmas, and Lunar New Year, they do offer gift wrapping services and packaging. Plus, you get a Dior shopping bag. And if you are lucky, you also get the Dior Star Charm. But obviously, it depends on what the department store is offering, as well as how generous the sales associate is. Actually, I have quite a few Dior products on my wish list, but I'll wait for the holidays to get them so that I could enjoy the holiday packaging that they offer. I might do this at the Dior shops or maybe get them online. It depends. If they already have a better gift sets offered online, then I'll go ahead and order them online. We'll see. It's just something to look forward to. Now, the advantage of buying online is that you could select the freebies you want using promo codes. However, there is a minimum purchase required for every code. The codes change quite often. I think it depends on what kind of stocks they have. I get the promo codes via text message or while I'm purchasing from Dior online. I also use Fifi's Corner and Trish Trin here on YouTube. However, these promo codes only works for the US customers. I believe other countries, they have different freebies and gifts which they can only get at the Dior counter. There's also a lot of advantages buying online, because you could be ordering in the privacy of your room and you don't bother anybody. Plus, you get to join the Dior loyalty program. This loyalty program has 4 tiers. We have the Pearl, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. When you reach a particular tier, you will receive a certain gift. It depends on what they offer that year. However, the Gold and Platinum, not only you will get a welcome gift, you will also receive a birthday gift. Also, you do have to claim these gifts within a month. So the Dior loyalty program is good for 12 months, and after that it will reset. Personally, I don't think you should focus on getting the levels, because it can get very expensive pretty quickly, unless it's only Dior beauty products you are buying. And if money is not an object, then go ahead. I think you will have more fun buying the products that you really like and that you really need, and enjoy the freebies and the promo codes that they offer. Otherwise, you might end up breaking the bank. Be wise with your shopping. It is unrealistic to own a ton of makeup. Unless you're a YouTuber, it is their job to review products. So that's it, you guys, for this video, and happy shopping. Bye for now. By the way, guys, on April 13 to 16, the House of Dior unveils the Grey Zone event, which was open to the public. It is an immersive pop-up exhibition and shop in Los Angeles.
She's taking an electromagnetic reading of your energy going through the plant.